Doing a little remodeling today here in the Daniels residence, and using the Sawzall to cut through the wall, and then we're going to be using this here sledgehammer to knock some stuff out. It's going to be a good time. First we're going to start with the Sawzall down. Now that we've got that taken care of, we can start hammering the walls. And on this side, we can do the same. We're going to want to watch out for the glass, so we're going to knock it this way. And you'll see we got a lot of tearing out to do.